Hello guys, and doing well. Today I tried to make this project. This is Clop oscillator. As you can see that we have around 30 kilohertz, and the schematic is taken from an Iranian book. I used the ferrite core coil like 400 microhenry to have around 30 kilohertz frequency, and it is more than good for the guys that they are working for 30 kilohertz clock zapper. As you may know, the clock zapper should work 5 hours a day. As this request, I'm used BC140 as transistor, but if you don't have the BC140, go for the smaller cell like BC1, BC107 or 109. Here is my duty cycle for 57%, around 60%. Voltage is for the zapper clock because of the voltage should not be more than 5 volts. Because of the skin resistance should not 5 volts. Very well, as I told, the now is BC1 capacity, but if you don't have, go BC107, 108, even 2222 will work for you very well. So the size maybe is a little bit smaller than BC140, but if you don't have any special rule for the soldering, go ahead and no problem use smaller transistor. So I checked the Clop oscillator schematic. It is too similar with this schematic that you are looking at. And also, as you can see, the 400 microhenry coil is very well for this frequency. If you want to change the frequency, go ahead, change the LC tank circuit capacitors, and also you need to change the 400 microhenry coil. Here is my coil box. As you can see, I have ferrite core, I have air core, iron core, and transformer base, everything, but I'm usually using the resistor or ferrite core coils. Work much better with more stability, and as I told before, the value of the resistors should be exactly same the schematic. If you are going to change the transistor like this, you need to change a little bit value of the resistors, and the LC tank circuit should be exactly the same. Thanks for watching. Let me know your idea about this project. I will try to make more project for the zapper clock 30 kilohertz. Thank you. Special greetings from Tehran. I will connect the project to the oscilloscope as soon as back to Dubai. I'm in Tehran and don't have the oscilloscope with me now. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.